Lucky, listen to me. World's a complicated place. I taught you how to survive in the life that you were born into.
I know, Dad. Just thinking I'd like to get out of here alive.
Everything is going according to plan.
Until it isn't.
Carrie? Carrie?
My husband was gone when I woke up this morning.
Hello, dear. It's been a while. Where's my son?
I don't know.
Where's my money?
I don't have it.
That's the wrong answer.
As dangerous as she is, every person's got a rhythm. You learn to play it, you can make them dance.
Excuse me, sir. Can you help me?
We'll get you somewhere safe.
Thank you. Thank you.
How can someone so small cause so much trouble?
Whatever game you're playing here, Lucky, it's not gonna go the way you think it will.
I'm done running. From you, from anyone.